Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the main control board in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch wrench, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the toe kick plate forward to remove. Now use the 1/4-inch wrench to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 4 screws, securing the control board access panel. Set the panel aside. Peel back the tape and use the small flathead screwdriver to release the retaining tab to detach the plastic cover. Depress the tab to release the main control board. Note the orientation of the wire connectors connected to the board. Then disconnect them. To install the new main control board, first connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the board. Now position the left side of the new board behind the retaining tabs and snap the right side into place. Snap the plastic cover into position and secure with the tape. Reposition the access panel and thread the screws to secure. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the brake feet until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the toe kick plate by aligning it on the lower frame and snapping it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.